Hi guys! Things are kind of shaky here at the pier, but we're gonna try to fly a drone. There's my drone here, got a couple bags, got another GoPro, and this video is being done with the GoPro. This is a 7, so probably you're not gonna notice much shakiness. So here is my drone here. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some blades. That one's good right now. Black one. I like that these blades, they snap in. I mean, they don't snap in. You have to twist them on. So first we put the 2 black. Now we're gonna put the 2 silver. And there's already arrows on here. Make sure you're doing it the right way. Now this can be kind of scary trying to fly from here. Okay, it looks like this battery is dead. Use this one. One thing's for sure, guys. Sometimes it's hard to get the picture in here. I don't know if you guys could see the picture right now, but it's tough, and you have to like go into the app and get out of it and keep trying to log in to where it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and take off our drone here. So we're going to need to hit fly. Hold down. Hopefully nothing's gonna fail. Hit fly again. So it's speeding up. Now let's go. One more. So I could actually pan with the camera. You could see that I could see myself here. So let's do some flying. The cool thing about it is it's very stable. Okay, where are we at? Now I have to look and come back flying. That was a near impact. Okay, so we're seeing if I could actually land exactly where I took off from. It's a little bit scary because I took off right on the pier. So let's see here. Okay, so I'm landing the drone down there because I tried to land right on the pier, but I took off near the edge, so it must be a little bit off. So I don't want to land in the water, so change my mind. Here we are. The birdie has landed.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.